So this tree has been left to grow all season, and as you can see, it's gone absolutely crazy with growth. But to start this video, we're going to start with a nice little cleanup of the soil, and it's got a few weeds in there and a lot of spiders. So we're going to make a start on the hard cutback that this tree desperately needs. Now, it was never anything special at the top of the tree anyway, but doing this work will definitely help to improve it. And this was the tree 3 years ago. How it all started out. It's come a long way since then. So what we have decided to do here is near fully defoliate the tree. Now, doing this with privet trees or the Korean privet, it won't necessarily reduce the size of the leaves, but what it will do is absolutely improve the ramification. As the new buds sprout out, so will new branches from where the leaves used to be. Now, just looking at this tree, I can see many branches that still needs to be chopped back and loads of branches that are crossing. Now, we don't want to remove them all as they all play a part, but there's definitely some correction that's needed. Now, sometimes the branches can be a little tricky to bend on these trees, especially with privets, and right here we're going to attach a guy wire to this massive root. It should be strong enough to hold the tree branch. So as we begin to shape the branches, what we're looking for is a natural flow, but at the same time to make it look like it has been touched by a human's hands. Oh, thank you. Now come get it. So now here's my plan for this tree in the future. At the moment it's very flat top, but eventually it's going to be more of an oval shape as it develops. Now all this top part here is only alive because of this singular root here. And this is in fact actually 3 trees. Now it's grown naturally in a hedgerow for quite some time. Here is one which I have carved in the past. You may have seen me do it on other social medias. Here is the second one, which is only living from this root base here. And here's the third one, which I carved into, killing off the top and growing out at the bottom. But yeah, if this is a tree that you'd like to see more process on in future, I'll be more than happy to do that. But we should start seeing new buds within about 3 to 4 weeks, and if it gets cold enough, that will stay in this winter silhouette until spring. So make sure you let me know your thoughts in the comments about this tree. I read every single one and I do try to reply as soon as possible. But yeah, I look forward to updating more. See you in the next one.